So guys, we are back today with another hair video, and it's like crickets in the room, like literally, because I don't even know what to say right now, guys. This unit is bomb A. So welcome back, guys, to another hair video. So this unit, guys, was sent to me from Klaiyi Hair Company, and I did go ahead and select the 613 unit. Now, just to let you guys know, I had no idea what I was gonna call this unit. I thought I was gonna ash it out. I tried to do something different with the ash tone, but it turned out way wrong. So you guys will see that process because I filmed the entire coloring process, so you guys will see exactly what I did. Now I know, like, most of the times the companies hate when we color the unit, but in order for me to show you guys that the hair quality is A1, I need to play around with the unit. If I'm gonna select the 613 unit, I'm gonna dye the unit. So I haven't dyed a unit in a long time, guys, so this was, you know, it's been a while, but I think everything came out pretty cute. I did have some trials and tribulations when I was trying to dye it, so you guys will see that entire part. It was a mess, but as far as the hair quality goes, I can go ahead and give this unit a thumbs up. Also, the lace itself, guys, when you guys see me install this unit, you guys are gonna be like, wow, the lace is very nice. I did use powder underneath my cap just to make sure everything was sealed and perfect. As far as the products to install the unit, I did use the Even Wonder Lace, the black one, in my red Even Wonder Lace adhesive. So guys, this is the final, well, not the final look, well, this is the final look, but I'll get into that talking part for the main pointers after I show you guys the install part. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Yes, baby. Lego. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the install portion of this video. This unit, guys, is absolutely gorgeous. I actually washed this and colored it twice, so I took it kind of like 3 days to do it just because I wanted to give the hair a break. Now, the last time that I colored the unit, I do have like a few little light patches in the back, which is not a big deal because the next time I wash this unit, because I love this unit so much, I'm going to keep it and kind of style it up. I really think it's actually really pretty. On camera right now, it might come off like a little bit purplish blue. But when I take pictures, it actually looks like a royal blue color. The thing about the hair dye that I use, the Adore hair dye, it's kind of one of those things that will show you on the actual display that it's like a bright blue color or purple color. So I was kind of iffy. I kind of got like an in the middle color. So let me know how you guys perceive it on camera. But when I do take pictures, it did give me like a blue color. But all in all, I absolutely love it. Now, I am 31, so in my head I'm like, girl, you too old for that. But if I would have did like a baby pink and like tri-colors and stuff like that, you guys would have still came at me. But I think that this color is actually very, very pretty. Some people actually dye their natural hair, their natural 4C hair this color and do styles with this. So I feel like it's fine if I wear a wig like this. I originally was supposed to do like an ash tone color, but I messed that up, so I had to go right back to the drawing board. So like I said, it was a little bit of a faulty issue, but I was able to fix it up. One thing I want to mention about this unit, guys, is that the lace itself is bomb AF. When I washed the unit and I saw it after I washed and saw that the hairline looked really natural and you can see it, I was like, this is about to be bomb AF. One thing about the lace is be very, very careful with the tweezers. I did snag a nice tear into my lace. I had to sew it back together. The lace is very, very delicate, guys, so I would recommend you take your time with it. Do not try to go tweezer happy because you will snap a whole right into the lace, which unfortunately I did, but that's fine. I was able to seal it right back up. The unit density wise, guys, it's not a large density. You won't be able to, you'll see like a little peekaboo in the back, but nothing crazy. I definitely recommend if you want to get this unit, you want a higher density to size up on the density. The length is perfect. I did trim the ends a little bit. Because of the color, I feel more for like a shorter bob. You guys know I like my wavy bobs and stuff like that, so I'll probably go for like a shorter wavy bob. But I'll probably do that later. Not now. I do like the length right now with the color. Now, the baby hairs, I did do baby hairs, and I feel like the baby hairs aren't too crazy. They're very light. I love the fact that I was able to color the baby hairs so you can see that color in the baby hairs. It just makes it look so clean, guys. And on top of that, like, this is a colored wig. I've never created a color wig that looks this freaking good, guys. It just looks really, really nice, clean and natural. Everything about it I love, and it's super fluffy, and it also holds a really good curl, which is another thing I freaking love about this unit. Alright guys, so I'll leave all the information down below in regards to all the products that I use and all the links and coupon codes for this unit if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Klaiyi Hair Company. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.